Hi, today we will be looking at a new method in 2022 to earn money online. This brand new money-making method will allow you to easily and effectively earn up to $700 and even more by simply performing this method with the steps that I'm going to show you. Instead of getting boring notifications that lead to no profits, you can get payment notifications if you just watch until the end of the video, where we show you how to make money on these really cool websites. The only thing needed to access the website is a laptop or a mobile phone with internet access. You don't need any technical knowledge or special equipment to use this method, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. How cool is that? This is your path to financial freedom, therefore, don't skip any parts of the video or you may miss out on important information. Now, before we begin the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit on the notification bell for future updates. Today is a terrific day for you because this method of making money online will undoubtedly change the way you look at news, and don't worry, this method that I'm about to show you is available anywhere in the world. This approach is completely free, which means that no money will be taken from your account. Speaking of excellent news, it gets even better because you can increase your profits as much as you like by following along with me in this video. Don't overlook any crucial facts that could jeopardize your money-making endeavors. Without further ado, let's go to the first website we'll use. Open Google and type in Google News, or, to make things easier, type news.google.com into the search field. After that, you'll come across this page, which contains numerous updated news stories from throughout the world. There are several categories on this website that you may choose from based on the type of news you want to read: entertainment, local, international, sports, and so on. You can find anything here. If you stick with me until the very end of the video, you'll find out how to generate money off of news that you find on Google. Hold your breath, because I'm about to show you how to generate money online. Going down the left side of the screen, you'll notice a column with various news categories to choose from. Within these categories, I want you to focus on business, entertainment, health, science, sports, and technology. Now, please select health. After that, you'll be directed to this page, which is full of health-related news from across the world. You now have the option of reading any item on this website. Simply choose an article from the top several results on this website because they are the most recent. Now that we have our article, I'd like you to copy the full piece using your mouse or keyboard. After you've copied the content, leave it aside, and we'll move on to our next website, which is where all the action is. We've arrived at the second website that I'd like to show you, spinbit.com. This is the website where you may have your copied content from the article paraphrased and reworded in less than 10 seconds, giving you your own original and new article. Awesome, right? All you have to do now is paste your copied content using your mouse or keyboard, and you'll have your own article. Just a heads up, you'll be compensated for each word you contribute to the article. Isn't it just more fantastic news? This website is called eatingwell.com. Eatingwell.com is a health website that pays you for each word in your content that is relevant to what we have previously searched and rephrased because they are on the same issue. Actually, on eatingwell.com, you get $1 for every word you write in your post, which, when you think about it, is a lot of money compared to copying and pasting articles from Google. You can have money in the blink of an eye if you have 700 words on your article and submit it to eatingwell.com. They will pay you $700 immediately. Now, I know you're dying to hear how you can make this happen, so let's start by scrolling down their website and looking for the Contact Us section, which is an email address. You may contact Eatingwell using that email address, which you will be utilizing right now. Open your email and type their email address into the recipient field. Then you'll paste your reconstructed article into the main field as the email's content. Then you'll fill in the subject field, which is simply article submission, and finally, you'll send that email and you're done. After a few days or so, you'll receive an email confirming that your article has been accepted and that they want to publish it on their website. Just be patient until they ask for your payment. Just like that, you have acquired an amazing method of money making by simply copy-pasting. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up.